guys, so come with me as I organize or like fix my things for this semester's duty. So this is gonna be my last duty for 3rd year, and then after this semester, later this year, 4th year na. So graduating na tayo. And so yeah, so papakita ko lang sa inyo ano yung mga bagay na binili ko for duty, like essentials for duty. So yeah. So starting with first one, syempre essential, KN95 masks. Okay, so ito muna tayo. Ito isang plastic. Okay. Next, cotton balls. So sabi ko nga sa inyo, kasi kaya bumibili na ako ng madami. Nagdadala na ako for me and for my patients. Kasi minsan, kahit cotton balls, guys, wala na sa PGH. Kasi na naman, binabudget cut ba naman yung UP? And guys, UP PGH, magkasama po. So kapag binudget cut po yung UP, yung PGH din po yung naapektuhan, yung mga pasyente rin po natin nakaapektuhan. The general public din po na nangangailangan na healthcare na apektuhan. So, yeah. Siningit. Anyway, yeah, cotton. And then, of course, alcohol. Okay, so next, what I bought is the taco box. Okay, so here's the taco box. Oops. Ang cute niya, diba? Aesthetic. So yan, ang cute niya. Tapos, 3 layer siya. Like, and you open it. Like that. And then, yan. So, marami ako malalagay. So, lahat ng gamit ko, andito na. So, eto, free lang to kanina dun sa store. Binigyan lang ako ni ate ng ballpen. So, ang cute niya, diba? Yellow. So, nakaka-bright ng mood. Anyway, so, ayan. Essential din for neuro. Kapag nag-rotate na kami sa Ward 14A, neuro ward. Essential. Of course, kailangan to sa PE. I mean, physical exam. Physical assessment. Pink. Also, some of my needles. Diba? Pag nag-aspirate ka ng meds, may mga meds na kailangan palitan yung needles. Povidone iodine. Actually, hindi naman talaga to yung need. So, extra lang. In case kailangan. Of course, micropore. Super important ang micropore. And then, a pen. Wala na kasing tinta yung pen ko. Like, wala nang ink yung dati kong ginagamit. So, yeah, tricolor pen. May mga indicators kasi, like, kung anong oras na night shift, morning shift. So, it's either blue or red or anything. And then, canister. So, kanina, yung cotton ball, so pinakita ko sa inyo. Nililipat ko siya dito sa maliit na canister. So, dito ko siya nilalagay. And then, for wound care, I have gauze pads for wound care. Ayan. So, actually, yun na yung binili ko. Tapos, diba guys, 895 guys pala. So, eto pala, itsura. Here's the tackle box kapag walang laman. So, cute! Okay. So, nilabas ko lahat ng gamit kasi i-arrange ko sa tackle box. Like, kung ano yung dadalhin ko for everyday lang, essentials. Okay, so next. Meron na kasi ako nito. Pero, aalisin ko ulit. So, I don't know if magagamit ko pa to or hindi. So, of course, my stethoscope. Ayan, yung stethoscope ko. Like, here's my stethoscope. So, this is Littmann Cardiology 4. Ayan. My neurohammer. Oops, another micropore na dati ko pag ginagamit. And then, my pen light. Also, yeah, my cotton swabs. And then tongue depressors. 6 inches ruler. Oh. And then, of course, a pencil. Kailangan ko to for my notes. A thermometer. And then, of course, the micro tape. Scissors tape. And then, so actually, these are for the thermometer. So, pwede kasi siyang rectal thermometer. So, if need ko, kumuha ng rectal temperature, so, gamitin ko lang yung plastic and then, yan. And then, some clean gloves. Pero may lagay na ako. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung lagayan. And then, another gloves. Okay guys, so next na gagawin natin ay ipagkasya ang lahat ng ito sa tackle box. So, let's go! For this part, hindi ko na alam kung anong week to, kung anong invitation to, but this is me working on my papers. So, ayan, super seryoso. Pero ang dami kasing gagawin na papers, so seryoso talaga. And then, this is me trying to balance work and life. So, this is me with my cousins. Nagdawa kami nito kasi nag-visit yung cousins ko sa akin. So, ayan, naka-uniform pa ako. So, I think community rotation na to kasi naka-community uniform ako. So, ayan, kung makikita nyo naman, nagagawa na ako ng papers ko. Tapos, yung mga cousins ko nandyan lang. So, multitasking, makikipagchikahan, and bond with my cousins while I'm doing my papers. So, this is how I balance my duty and my personal life. So, ito, OR rotation naman to sa main OR naman. So, for OR rotation, nagko-complete kami ng cases na required. And, ayan, spending time with my duty mates. I think pauwi na kami nito eh. So, yun. Hi guys! So today is Wednesday and mag-rotate ako ngayon sa OPT OR for my minor cases. So sana makomplete ko na para OR graduate na ako kasi para major graduate na ako, like major cases graduate. Complete ko na yung cases ko and minor cases na lang kulang. So yeah. Sana matapos ko na today and bukas para hindi na ako mag-Friday. Hi guys! So, unang kamalasan of the day. Natapilok ako habang naglalakad papasok. Like, alam niyo yung, di ba, parang kalsada. Tapos parang may crack. So, pag-apa ko, napag gano'n yung paa ko. Sobrang sakit. Sana di siya mamaga. Community pa naman kami next week. Puro lakad yun. Sobrang sakit kapag naglalakad. Diyos ko. Ito. My God! Ay, sobrang sakit. Ayoko na. Yun lang, update. Scrub na ako. Bye! Guys, ang happenings today, namagaan pa. Kasi natin palok. Hi guys, so ngayon ay nasa SOJR naman ako naka-rotate. So bali rotation ko na to ng mga OR cases and kulang na lang ako ng isa. Tapos complete ko na yung OR cases ko. Excuse me. Pero ay, school kahapon na-sprain ako. So ngayon, kahit may sprain, kahit magang-maga pa siya, kailangan ko pa rin pumasok kasi sayang naman yung araw, sayang yung face. Hi guys, so ngayon ay around 2 PM na at palabas pa lang ako ng PGH kasi nagpa-x-ray ako. So kanina nagpa-consult ako sa UPHS para sa sprain ko. And in-advise kasi ako mag-x-ray. So now, katatapos ko lang magpa-x-ray. So yung results, i-text na lang sa akin ng HS. Hi guys! I'm with my Japanese friends. Come here, me. Hi! This is Koharu, this is Jo, and this is May. So we're here at Photoism in Robinsons, Manila because we're going to take a photo for souvenir, right? Yes. So this was around March when my Japanese friends went here in the Philippines for the exchange program. So I've been friends with them for like 2 years already because I've been part of the UPCN and Goodma University in Japan exchange program as well. So I first met them in Japan and then so sila naman yung pumunta dito and nung pumunta sila dito, ayan, we just hang out like we're really just friends kasi like we're really close. So ayan, lumabas lang din kami and spend time together and hoping to see them again. So for this one naman, naala lang ako ng roommate ko, ng friends ko na, ayan, uminom. Pero nag-duty pa rin ako kinabukasan. So, ayan, may duty ng community kinabukasan. Pero, nag-duty pa rin naman ako. So, yun ang tinatawag ba? Responsible. Tara! Ano yung ano tayo? Food vlog. Parang hindi ako pwede pang food vlog kasi small eater ako.
Nauubos mo ba yan?
Hindi ko nga alam.
Hindi ko yung testing. Garlic parm.
Garlic parmesan.
Mas masarap pala siya kapag hindi nakadate ako.
Sige, huwag ka na lang i-focus kung ayaw mo naman. Pero mukha siyang sobrang dami. At
Oo,
okay dami siya mag-focus. Okay lang, bad trip ako eh. Ganda pala ako pag di na pamilya.
Yok?
Hoy! Hindi, ano?
Hindi. Natawa ko sa ano mo kasi sa reaction mo.
Hindi yung iniisip mo.
Hindi ko kaya
Makaisipin nila.
Natawa lang ako dun sa ginawa mo yung emoji na. Di ba mahihingi ng utensils? Utensils mo?
Kuwang-kuwa ba?
Oo. Nakakainis. Thank you.
Ang pangit! Hindi bagay.
Basta parang tapos init.
Pero isipin mo yun, no? Pero sa ng sitwasyon, parang
Yun nga eh.
na lang talaga.
Like, simula sa pinaka-umpisa.
Oo, di ba? Ay, nagkaiba lang kung saan kami nagkakilala.
Oo, yun lang. Pero yung succeeding.
Pero you can't really say na doon kasi
Thank you.
kasi di naman kami tumagal nag-usap doon sa app. Di ba? For one day pa lang, wala pong one day, lumipat na kami sa Instagram. Laki doon. Mukha siyang tempura.
Chicken tenders kasi yan.
Bye.
706.
Hindi ko sila papakilala. Siya yung roommate ko. Stephanie.
Pupos mo ba yan?
Oo. Binayan doon. Oo, sayang yan. Lagi naman sa'yo.
Wala kang tingnan ng katawan ko.
Eh,
pinsan ko eh. Taba ako dyan.
Community dance. Finally. Pero may papers pa.
Siyempre, part of balancing ACADS or work and life balance is to spend time with family. So, ito, kasama ko yung dad side ko. Nagsimba kami sa Padre Pio in Batangas. And, ayun, just spending time with them. And then, after nga, nagpunta kami sa Landers in Laguna. Tapos, umuwi kami ng Cavite. The whole family is here. Ano po? Coffee lang. Hi, Ina! Ina, magay ka! Sa vlog! Hi, Tita! Si Ate ang star ngayon kasi ikaw katabi. Galing!
Girl, may bagong coffee shop sa may lalaan. Coffee ground. Sarap.
Nagalo ka rin?
Just coffee na lang.
Ngayon nakuha ko April. Pero, mas payat ako.
Bagre!
So, meron wallet, tissue. Kasi, wala lang. Sunod, sa gitna,
Miso Life.
makeup pouch. More on lippy pouch. Ang dami namang ano. April ka.
Easy?
Yeah, easy. Bunny. It's nice. Tapos, concealer. Pero hindi na ako nag-concealer. Pang-kilay. BLK.
Ano yan?
BLK.
Na, lippy.
Yeah, lippy. Tio. Lippy.
Ang dami mong lippy!
Yeah, sobrang hilig ko. Tapos, gloss. Tapos, last na ay eyeliner. Thank you, BLK. Dami kong ganito.
Not sponsored.
Sponsored. Nagastos lang ako.
Pingin pouch!
Hindi ko sure kung meron pa. Tapos, wipes, within tapos, yun lang, wala na.
First, ito muna. Lip liner, guys ko. Sunny Face. Roman. My small comb galing from Japan. Sa hotel sa Japan. Nag-rate. Nag-hoard pala.
Hanky.
Wallet and cards. Fan na hindi sa akin. Fan na hindi sa akin.
Kanina daw galing?
Pinahiram lang ng may-ari.
Sino yung may-ari?
Secret. Tapos, perfume. Cute, no? Tapos, ponytail. Pads. Ako. Yun lang. Iba na ang yung sinasabi ko. Nabago na lahat sa'yo. Sana hindi nakita. Sana ay walang problema. Pagkat kulangan, dala kong pera.
Rich!
So, syempre, after spending time with family, back to duty na ulit. So, this is me. I'm with my friends dito. Nagagawa ng duty papers after. So, ayan, may mga pinapasa kasi na papers right after duty. So, yun yung mga ginagawa ko. And this one naman, sa Starbucks na ata to. And I'm alone this time. I think may errands ako na ginawa sa Robinsons Manila. That's why I decided na mag-Starbucks for a while and gawin yung duty papers na need ko ipasa right after duty. That's why I'm alone dyan. So, ayan, watch me do my duty papers.
So it's been a while since I took videos.
So, this is yet again another Rogella. So, walang ice and stuff. Actually, kakatapos ko lang i-prepare yung duty papers and mag-ayos ng gamit, like iron ng clothes and yung mga gamit ko for duty. So, yun. So, this week is the final week. So, this week is the final week of duty. So, after almost 3 months of the duty season, so this is the last week for me. And I wasn't able to take videos like after the foundation week, which I uploaded before this video. So, right after the foundation week, we had a reading break, but the reading break wasn't really break because I was working on our thesis. And then the week after that, we had Ward 14A, which is neuro. So in our in CN, like 3rd year, so neuro ward is really like the boss ward. So di talaga ako nakapag-take ng any videos kasi the anxiety, the pressure was there. And also, na-toxic pa ako ng ward 3 ko, which is medicine ward. So, iba talaga yung kaba ko, buong ward 14A. But, fortunately, like, thank God, I was able to finish it naman ng maayos. And with a good clinical grade and with good feedbacks from my professor. And then, so, the week after that, we had ward 11, which is pedia. So, I also wasn't able to take any videos. And so, week after that, so last week was a group's break. But, again, it's not really a break because, ako personally, I worked on my case report because the deadline was last Sunday. So, it's a case report. So, for some nursing schools, they do it by group. But, here in UP, we do it individually. So, yeah, from the patient information, to pathophysiology, nursing care plan, interventions, evaluation, outcome, reflections, and everything. So, like for example, my case study, I think that was about 162 pages. So, napasa ko naman na. So, I'm good. So, tomorrow, yung start ng duty for CI. So, last rotation namin is Cancer Institute. Into GH pa din naman. So, ayun. So, CI. And then, yun na. Tapos na. Actually, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And then, that's the final week. I'm finally done with 3rd year. Okay. Ayan. So, while yapping, I'm gonna do my skincare. Actually, nag-breakout na ako ng sobra. Look, ang dami kong pimples. And I don't know, maybe because I had my period then, tapos sabay pa nga sa stress ng duty and sa life then, you know. So, yeah. But like, actually, hindi pa naman end ng semester. Kasi right after this week, I think I'm gonna be working on our thesis naman. Kasi we will be having our final defense next week Friday. So, we're gonna polish everything pa. Ayun. So, I think busy pa rin talaga ako until the whole May. But, I will not be taking videos right after this CI rotation, I think. So, this video will end with my duty season. Because I was planning, like, I am planning na itong video na to about lang sa duty. So, ayun. And while doing my skincare, actually, nag-remove lang naman ako ng makeup then do. So, ayun. Let's just talk about what we do sa duty. Like, yung mga pwede lang pag-usapan. I mean, syempre at first, like, bakit ba mahirap sa CN? Kasi diba ang dami nagsasabi na sobrang hirap daw ng CN. Like, ng UPCN in particular, compared to other nursing school. Like, meron akong mga nababasa, they'd rather go to law school, like 3 times, kaysa magbumalik sila sa experience ng CN, ganyan. So, for me, personally, mahirap talaga siya. I mean, siguro nasanay na lang din ako sa sistema, which is a bad thing. Dapat di talaga ako nasanay sa sistema kasi dapat nga kinakondemn natin yung sistema. If mali, diba? Pero kasi, like, sobrang hirap talaga. Like, for example, in a normal nursing school, like, for my friends na lang siguro, yun na lang yung gagawin kong basis, diba? Yung mga kwento ng friends ko. Like, for them, kapag nag-duty sila sa hospitals, parang limited lang yung allowed sila na gawin sa patient. Like, for example, do vital signs, blood pressure taking, CBG, monitoring, temperature, ganyan. Tapos by group pa sila in one patient. Pero kasi kami, what we do here in CN is sa PGH kami naka-duty. So, syempre, tertiary hospital siya. So, yung cases dito talaga, rare na magkaroon kami ng benign na case. So, talagang toxic yung patient. Like, for example, sa patient ko in Ward 3, hindi ko talaga siya makalimutan because that patient, meron siyang nasogastric tube. So, yun yung tube na nakakonect dito sa main nose. Tapos, parang, dun ko pinapadaan yung meds niya, dun ko siya pinapakain. Tapos, meron pa siyang trach. Tapos, nakakonect pa siya sa mechanical ventilator, which supplies her oxygen. So, syempre, yung trach, everyday mo pa din yung lilinisan, ganyan. So, high-end talaga yung mga competencies and yung skills na mahahasa namin dito sa PGH. Which is good naman for us, para maging competent, kami, students. Siguro yung mahirap lang is like, kasi yung duty, dapat, before endorsement, nandun na kami. So, yung endorsement is 6 AM. Pero, we report to duty at 5:30. So, before 5:30, nasa hospital na kami. Mag-i-apron na kami, magpe-prepare na kami ng things namin. Para kapag endorsement na, na lang kami. Makikinig na lang kami, mag-aayos na kami agad, ganyan. And then, after that, start talaga ng duty. So, we go to our patient. And mind you, sa ibang nursing school, diba? By group sila in one patient. Kami kasi, isa-isa kami ng patient for a week. Tapos, Tapos, sometimes, kapag nadi-discharge yung patient, syempre, nagbabago kami ng patient. And, it doesn't end there. Kasi, so, yung duty, matatapos siya ng around, siguro, 11:45, ganyan. Tapos, from 11:45, so mag-end kami ng 11:45, mga makakalis kami ng PGH. Tapos yung iba sa amin, like may class pa in the afternoon. Like lecture pa, so papasok pa, usually hanggang 4 PM. Tapos may papers kami na due kinabukasan. So dapat, before kami pumasok ng 5:30 kinabukasan, tapos na yung papers namin. But like kasi, yung papers namin is not just a single paper. Yung paper namin, parang I think, 6 sets siya. So parang, we are expected to have a nursing health history, na narrative report, physical examination, parang report pa rin namin. Tapos, so that's 2. And then, of course, our NCP, kailangan nandun din. Yung NCP namin, 2. Isang physiological and isang psychosocial. And then after that, kailangan din namin ng pathophysiology diagram. So, aralin mo talaga yung case ng patient. And then, after nun, meron pa kaming laboratory studies. And then, meron pa kaming drug study. Kasi, the next day, papayagan na nila kaming magbigay ng gamot. So, ito din parang, I think, iba sa amin from other nursing schools. Kasi kami, pinapayagan na kaming magbigay or mag-administer ng medication sa mismong patient namin. Kaya, super strict with us when it comes to our drug study. Kasi syempre, yung life ng patient is at risk. So, kasi syempre, medication yan, diba? So, parang bawal talaga magkamali. And dapat sobrang ingat. Pero, yun naman nga, din yung thankful din ako sa PGH kasi with my 3 years ng experience sa pag-duty, I can say naman na parang na-reach ko naman na din yung competency na kailangan, ganyan. And, ayun nga, extra careful lang din talaga kami. So, ayun. Tapos, ayun, basically, yung 6 na sets ng papers na yun. Tapos, everyday siya gagawin namin. So, syempre, yung isang paper, di mo naman siya uupuan ng 30 minutes lang, 20 minutes. So, imagine if you're gonna start from 6 p.m. Let's say, kasi nga may klase pa. Tapos, syempre, uwi ka pa, papahinga, ligo, and then, kakain ka pa, then you're gonna start at 6 or 7. That's 6 set of papers. Kaya usually kami, nakatutulog talaga kami minsan 12, 1, 2, or yung iba, wala talagang tulog, din mag-report sa duty. Tapos wala din talaga kaming kain. Kasi nga, minsan unahin na lang namin matulog kesa like extra minute of sleep kesa kumain, ganyan. So, ayun, din talaga yung kaya din siya mahirap. Tapos, syempre, expectation sa amin ng professors, talagang there's leaders. Like, as in, sobrang, ayun, parang, diba, sa ibang schools, may oral revalida sila, ganyan. Tapos, parang sa amin, everyday kami nagko-oral revalida. Like, we really have to know about the patient. We really have to know about everything that we do inside, like, kapag naka-duty kami. Kasi, like, for example, sa drugs na lang, no? Sabihin bigla nung prof, para saan to? Bakit may ganito? Ba't kailangan ng ganito? Anong mangyayari kay patient? So, anong gagawin mo? Yung mga ganon, na biglang pop-up questions. So, kailangan talaga, alam namin lahat, ganon. Kaya, mahirap din talaga siya. Mahirap siya in a way na madami kaming ginagawa, we have to know this and that, tapos wala kaming tulog, ganyan. So, ayun talaga siya. Pero, wala eh, parang, ayun nga, again, sinasabi ko nga, mali na masanay, pero nasanay na lang din talaga ako, and that's just how I keep going. Kasi wala din naman akong choice, honestly. Everyday, dasal na lang talaga na kailangan mo siyang matapos, kailangan mong lumaban, ganyan. Kasi ako personally, yung mantra ko lang talaga is, like, I just have to go through this week, ganun. Like, hindi ko talaga siya susukuan. Kasi feeling ko, like, I feel like, no matter what the outcome will be, like, at least, alam ko sa sarili ko na di ko siya sinukuan, ganun. I did my best. So, every week, yun lang talaga yung mantra ko na I just have to go through this week. Tapos, ang mangyayari na, di ba, Friday is last day of duty. Tapos, may papers pa kami. Like, deadline ng papers, ng final papers. Like, yung 6 na sinabi ko kanina. Meron pa, magpapasok pa kami ng final papers. Plus, the highlights and insights for the week. And clinical evaluation, performance checklist, ganyan. 30 hours after the last duty. So, kinabukasan yun. So, ginagawa ko minsan, like, right Friday, tinatapos ko na lahat. Para buong Saturday, tulog lang talaga ako. Like, I can really sleep the whole day, every Saturday. Kasi nagbabawi ako ng tulog. Kasi usual sleep ko lang will be 3 hours. Like, yun na talaga yung limit ko for myself na kailangan matapos ko yung papers ko for tomorrow na hanggang 12 o'clock lang. Kailangan painted na yan. Nakahiga na ako before 12, ganyan. Para lang masakto ko na 3 hours yung tulog ko, 4 hours yung tulog ko, ganyan. Kasi ayoko mag-duty na walang tulog. Like, for me lang. Eh, syempre, tao yung life lang tayo na hawakan namin. And ayoko naman yung magkamali talaga. So, andun nga ako to take care of them, not to harm them, diba? And mahirap na rin magkamali talaga. So, ayun. Yan yung ibang thoughts ko about UP. And mataas talaga yung standards, guys. Super taas ng standards. Like, siguro pag nakatanggap ka na talaga ng one-liner na grade, girl,
you're such a stellar. Like, ibig sabihin ng stellar, parang sobrang talino mo talaga. Ganun. Kapag nakatanggap ka ng one-liner na grade. So, and mahirap talaga, but we have to survive na lang din. And nga, at the end of the day, I'm the type of person kasi who just looks at the brighter side. So, tinitignan ko na lang din talaga despite the pagod and despite, yeah, alam kong mali talaga na masanay, pero we keep on, naman din. We are still trying. Kasi I was part of the council din. And di naman ako bulag. Mulat naman ako sa nangyayari sa sistema. We're still trying to negotiate, to talk with the professors. Kasi lenient naman din yung profs kapag napapakiusapan sila. We just have to explain our sides. And kaya naman na pag-usapan. So, for the better outcomes of both sides naman. So, ayun talaga. And, on the other note, thankful naman din talaga ako in UPC and like, sobrang talaga, highly competent. Like, sobrang high-end din naman ng skills na natututunan namin dito. Kasi ngayon cases na meron kami dito, talagang marami kang matutunan. Toxic, ganun. Pero, yung knowledge naman na may impart sa amin and yung skills na makukuha namin, may enhance namin, is high-end din, ganun. And yun, so malapit na mag 4th year. Oh my gosh. Finally. So, and I guess, I think mag-gagapper naman ako na outro video, pero, yeah, so, this will end this week na siguro, and I don't know talaga kung anong end nito, kung magkakapag-video ba ako sa CI, makakapag-video ba ako sa duty, kasi bawal talaga mag-phone, guys. Bawal mag-phone sa duty naman din. We keep it professional pa rin naman talaga. So bahala na. Sa mga places na pwede lang mag-video, siguro ako makapag-video. So, ayan. Bye! Hi guys, so today is Friday and it's the last day of duty. And last rotation ng Orientos, I've said. Tapos, it's currently 4:50 something, and I need to go down at 5:30, so I'm just gonna take my usual breakfast, which is a cup of coffee and 2 buns, cheese bread, yeah. So I'm running with roughly 1 hour and 30 minutes of sleep only, because I've been doing my papers, clinical papers, yeah. So, get ready with me, I guess. Like, most people know na close sa akin. Alam talaga nila na I can't live a day without my coffee. Sobrang yung caffeine addiction ko. So, this is the cheese bread. So, what I usually do, especially now na late na ako, so it's 4:53 na. Actually, multitask na lang. So, I eat. Nagpe-prep na din ako. moisturizer and sunscreen. So, kung mapapansin nyo, may mga baby hair dyan kasi, yeah, I don't know, I don't know. But, yeah, I just use this. So, 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 I
hindi na ako nag-wax ng hair ko. Before, I used to do wax para talagang ano siya, diba? Parang ayos na ayos. Pero kasi ang init kasi sa ward, like, ang init sa hospital. So, I feel like sobrang lagkit na sa buhok. So, ever since, hindi na ako talaga naglalagay ng wax. So, nayan ko lang siya dyan. I still look neat naman eh. So, yun. Tapos, something I wanna share with you guys rin is that, yeah, I religiously take my multivitamins. Like, this multivitamins Essentium Advance. So, before, di talaga ako mahilig mag-vitamins. Pero, since nag-start yung duty, napansin ko na sobrang sakitin ko. So, I asked my friend, which is a resident doctor now, by the way. So, hi, Doc JC. So, I asked him for an advice. Like, anong mga vitamins yung magandang i-take. Kasi nga, laging walang tulog. Like, yung kain ko, hindi pa maayos. Tapos, puyat pa. So, yun, sabi niya, ito rin daw yung tinitake niya na vitamin. So, yun naman. Ever since naman nag-take ako ng vitamins, napansin ko na mas, gumana naman ako kumain. Tapos, ayun, hindi na rin ako masyado nagkakasakit. So, buong duty season, I think, isang beses lang ako nagkasakit. And, kasabay pa siya ng period ko. So, ayun. Compared before na talagang every week, parang nagkakasakit ako. So, yeah. You guys should take your multivitamins too as supplements for the things that you eat. Pero syempre, maganda pa rin na makakuha tayo ng vitamins from the things, from the food that we eat. So, natural pa rin is the best way. So, yeah.
Hi guys! So, I wasn't able to film any outro videos na kasi na-busy rin ako after nung last day ng duty. So, I guess this ends here and I hope you enjoyed watching. See you on next university vlogs. See you in 4th year! Bye!